Welcome to Holistic Health Haven. I'm so glad you're here today. You know me, I'm all about simple ways to live healthier, happier lives. And today we're diving deep into the world of a powerful herb that's probably already in your kitchen, coriander. This little plant packs a serious punch when it comes to health benefits, from boosting your digestion to supporting your heart. We're talking ancient wisdom meets modern science. So whether you're a coriander connoisseur or just curious about incorporating more natural remedies into your routine, stick around. Let's dive in. Let's talk about what this little green powerhouse is packing under the hood. Coriander is loaded with vitamins, guys. We're talking vitamins A, C, and K, essential for everything from immunity to strong bones. But it doesn't stop there. Coriander is also a great source of minerals like potassium, crucial for healthy blood pressure, and magnesium, which is like a chill pill for your muscles and nerves. And hold on, there's more. Coriander is teeming with antioxidants, those amazing compounds that fight off damage in the body. Think of them as your personal defense squad against aging and disease. So we're talking about a plant that not only adds flavor to your food, but also nourishes your body from the inside out. That's what I call a win-win. Let's be real for a second. Nobody likes feeling bloated and uncomfortable. Good news, coriander can be your new best friend for a happy gut. Coriander has been used for centuries to aid digestion, and for good reason. This herb has natural properties that help soothe the digestive system, easing issues like gas, indigestion, and bloating. Think of it as a gentle massage for your gut. It helps things move along smoothly, so you can say goodbye to that heavy, uncomfortable feeling after meals. Incorporating coriander into your diet can be as easy as sprinkling some fresh leaves on your salads or soups, or even brewing a soothing cup of coriander tea. Managing blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health, and that's where coriander comes in with its natural balancing act. Both coriander seeds and leaves have been traditionally used to help regulate blood sugar levels. Studies suggest that compounds in coriander can actually mimic the effects of certain diabetes medications, helping your body use insulin more effectively. Now, I'm not saying to ditch your doctor's advice and replace it with coriander, but incorporating this herb into your diet can be a powerful way to support healthy blood sugar levels naturally. Remember, it's all about a holistic approach, healthy diet, exercise, and a little help from our green friends. Chapter 4. Detox Naturally Coriander, the heavy metal hero. In today's world, we're exposed to toxins everywhere, from the air we breathe to the food we eat. Over time, these toxins can build up in our bodies, leading to a whole host of problems. That's where coriander swoops in with its detoxifying superpowers. This incredible herb has a natural ability to bind to heavy metals and other harmful substances, helping your body eliminate them safely and effectively. Think of coriander as your body's own personal cleaning crew, working hard to remove the junk and keep things running smoothly. So if you're looking for a natural way to support your body's detoxification process, look no further than coriander. Chapter 5. A Happy Heart with Coriander. We all know that taking care of our heart is essential, and incorporating heart-healthy foods is a great place to start. Coriander, my friends, is a heart's best friend. Remember how we talked about coriander being a good source of potassium? Well, potassium plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. By helping to relax blood vessels and improve blood flow, potassium can significantly reduce the risk of hypertension and other cardiovascular problems. So, adding coriander to your diet is like giving your heart a warm hug. Chapter 6. Cooling the flames, coriander for inflammation. Inflammation. It's a word we hear a lot these days, and for good reason. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many health issues, from arthritis to heart disease. The good news is that coriander possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties, acting like a soothing balm for your body. It helps to reduce swelling, ease pain, and calm down those inflammatory responses. This is especially beneficial for conditions like arthritis, where inflammation in the joints can cause stiffness and discomfort. So, whether you're dealing with an acute injury or a chronic inflammatory condition, coriander can be a powerful ally in your journey to feeling better. So how can you incorporate this wonder herb into your diet? Well, one of the best ways is to eat coriander leaves raw. Think fresh, vibrant salads bursting with flavor. Just a handful of chopped coriander leaves can transform a simple salad into a nutritional powerhouse. And don't forget about soups. Adding coriander leaves as a garnish not only adds a pop of color, but also infuses the soup with its unique aroma and health benefits. Remember, the less heat you apply to coriander, the more nutrients it retains. Chapter 8. Sip your way to health coriander drinks. If salads and soups aren't your thing, don't worry. There are other delicious ways to enjoy coriander and reap its benefits. One of my favorite ways is by making coriander-infused water. It's super simple. Just add a handful of fresh coriander leaves to a pitcher of water and let it sit for a few hours. The result is a refreshing and detoxifying drink that's perfect for staying hydrated throughout the day. Or, if you're looking for something warm and comforting, try brewing a cup of coriander tea. Simply steep a teaspoon of coriander seeds in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes and enjoy its soothing aroma and digestive benefits. Chapter 9. Spice up your life and your health. For those of you who love a little kick in your food, coriander seeds are where it's at. Ground coriander seeds are a staple in many cuisines around the world, adding a warm, citrusy flavor to dishes. From curries to stews to roasted vegetables, a dash of ground coriander can elevate the flavor profile of your meals while providing you with its incredible health benefits. So, next time you're at the grocery store, make sure to grab a jar of ground coriander seeds and get creative in the kitchen. Chapter 10. Beyond the kitchen, coriander for skin. Coriander isn't just for eating, folks. This versatile herb also has amazing benefits for your skin. Remember those anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties we talked about? Well, they work wonders for your skin too. Coriander can help soothe irritation, reduce redness, and even fight off those pesky signs of aging. One of my favorite ways to use coriander for skin is by making a simple face mask. Just mix some ground coriander seeds with yogurt to form a paste, apply it to your face, and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off. Your skin will feel refreshed, rejuvenated, and oh so soft. Outro coriander, your new health hero. So there you have it, folks. Coriander is more than a garnish. It's really a health power. From boosting your digestion to supporting your heart and even giving your skin some love, this herb is a true all-rounder. Get them started on your day-to-day. Add some fresh leaves to your salad, sip on coriander-infused water, or spice up your meals with ground coriander seeds. Remember to like and share with your friends who would like to get information about this natural health approach, and subscribe to Holistic Health Haven. And hey, while you're at it, hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to Holistic Health Haven for more natural health tips and tricks. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring the power of nature.